Every single day, millions of Coca-Cola bottles are produced in giant factories across the world. But how does this famous drink go from simple ingredients to the bottle in your hand?
Inside the factory, every step is carefully controlled by advanced machines and highly trained technicians. Everything starts with water. It is purified through multiple filtration stages to meet strict quality standards.
The purified water is blended with sweeteners, caramel color, and Coca-Cola's signature flavor concentrate in carefully measured amounts. Next comes carbonation, the process that gives Coca-Cola its refreshing bubbles.
Every bottle is thoroughly cleaned and sterilized to ensure maximum hygiene. Automated filling machines pour the drink into bottles with incredible speed and precision. The bottles are immediately sealed to lock in their freshness and sparkling taste. Advanced cameras inspect every bottle to detect even the smallest defect. Finally, each bottle receives its iconic label before moving on to packaging.
Every bottle receives a unique production code, allowing it to be traced throughout its entire journey.
The bottles are automatically arranged into perfectly organized groups for the next stage.
Protective packaging keeps every bottle secure during transportation. Industrial robots prepare thousands of bottles for shipment every single hour.
Smart logistics systems ensure every shipment reaches its destination efficiently.
From here, millions of bottles begin their journey to stores across the country.
An advanced distribution network delivers Coca-Cola to supermarkets, restaurants, and local shops every day.
Within hours, the bottles arrive on store shelves, ready for millions of customers.
That familiar, refreshing fizz is the final result of a carefully controlled manufacturing process. Every stage is designed for speed, precision, hygiene, and consistent quality on an enormous scale.
From this factory, Coca-Cola begins its journey across cities, countries, and continents, an advanced logistics network. Every second, hundreds of bottles move through this production line. From purified water to global distribution, every bottle represents precision, innovation, and consistency.